segment surgeon. So I will be giving you a brief overview about the instruction course, and then we'll move forward. Is the presentation on the screen? Yeah. So I will be talking about that how do we run a successful cataract practice and what are the tips for a standalone practitioner. The slides are not moving. Yeah. So I think all of you would agree that standalone practice has a lot of advantages. You can practice the way you want to be, your own boss. You can make your own decisions with respect to infrastructure, the manpower, and the hours of work. And on the top of it, personalized private care is something which all patients appreciate, though it has a lot of challenges also. In last 2 decades, with corporate hospitals coming in the health sector of India, we are seeing a lot of change, and doctors are opting for these corporate chain hospitals because of job security and fixed remuneration. So why do we have this instruction course? A recently published article in IGO caught my attention, which reviewed almost 150 doctors coming out of residency of ophthalmology, and out of which, to my surprise, almost 40% of the doctors were either into solo practice or they were wanting to go in for solo practice. So despite its disadvantages of multitasking, almost 40% of ophthalmologists are still opting for a solo practice. Now, where does one begin? You have to start from scratch, lay down the SOPs, create an infrastructure, follow the statutory requirements, play smart and play safe, because we know that our competition is with the corporate chain of hospitals. Now, I think all of you would agree that for ophthalmic surgeons, cataract is still the bread and butter, and the instruction course will be talking about 2 important aspects of running a successful cataract practice. Very important to have a good refractive outcome in the cataract surgery, and Dr. Deepa will be covering about the biometry, how do we measure it right and give good refractive outcomes of the cataract surgery. Now again, with devices coming in, I think everybody deserves multifocality, and I will be covering that how do we incorporate these premium lenses in our practice. I think even after giving a very good visual outcome, it is very important that we have to raise the standard of care to increase the patient satisfaction. And I think this can be done by rigorous accreditation processes of NABH or JCI or QCI. And Dr. Ashish is going to guide us about that. How do we use this accreditation for our advantage and the growth of the practice? We all have seen a lot of prescriptions like this, and I think doctors are infamous for their bad handwriting, and this leads to a lot of errors. So it's time that we move to these digital prescriptions which are patient-friendly and they could be easily understandable. And apart from this, EMR, I think, is the way to go because it's environmental friendly. It can save you from litigation. It has easy record keeping. Though we all think that in a solo practice, we always wonder that EMRs are meant for bigger hospitals. And Dr. Vinay is going to simplify it for us that how do we use EMR in solo practice also, and they are still financially viable and user-friendly also. Now again, COVID has taught us that, the health is very, very important, and the penetration of health cashless in India is increasing. Almost 50% of claims are being settled cashless, and again, Dr. Vinay is going to teach us about that, how do we impanel with all these cashless facilities. Last but not the least, I think we need to market ourselves. Though as doctors, we are being trained like horses. We focus on our clinicals and treating patients, and we rely on word of mouth publicity to get new patients and referrals. But I think social media is something like new yellow pages for doctors. Though we may feel that it's an extra work and we are very busy too, and this is not our cup of tea, but I think it is very important and high time for us to understand that social media has penetrated all sectors of our life, and it is high time that we start using these powerful tools to build up our brand, reach new patients.